Hi everybody, it's Miss Carison T, and today we're going to be working on some foot exercises. So some of these exercises are exercises that I have come up with, and some of it I've actually taken from PBT, Progressive Ballet Technique. So if you're interested in that, message me or just go to their website and you can take a look at some of their exercises. Okay, T. So first we're gonna start with, we have our balls here, and we're gonna start massaging our feet. Okay, this is something that I like to do with my students either before class or after class. So we start kind of massaging on the arch of the foot, and the balls here that we're using, these are kind of hard balls. You can use a tennis ball or a little handball, okay? But they're not super duper soft. They are a little bit hard. So if you're using them to massage your muscles, you're actually gonna get a massage. So she's gonna be working her feet, okay? And like I said, if you've had a long day of rehearsals, but guess what? You have more to do. Or if you've had a long day of rehearsals and you're done for the day, either way, this is a great way to kind of relax your feet. So once you're done with both feet, what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip our feet over and we're gonna work on the toes. So right now we have our toes over the ball and we're gonna just kind of massage the toes down. And so what this is doing is this is getting the muscles and the fascia, that thin layer that's over the muscles, to kind of stretch and relax. Great job. And we do this, you kind of move the ball along down to your pinky toe, and then you would do it with the other foot. Awesome, thank you, T. Okay, now we're gonna get out our bands. So I'm just warning you, these bands might break. Oh, we're doing this. Okay, so it doesn't really matter the strength. You kind of just have to figure out what strength level works for you. I would start lighter and then see how it feels. So T and I are going to, I'm going to show you my disgusting dirty feet. Look at her feet, they're cuter than mine. So we're gonna cover the ball of your foot with the bands, okay? Now, you can do this with 2 feet if you want, or you can just... Okay, watch T. T still has a band that works. All right, so watch very carefully. Actually, T, you know what I'm gonna have you do is swing your rear over this way, so your foot is going out that way. Because I want them to look at something on your toes. Okay, when you guys see her foot, you're gonna answer me. Okay. So, all right. So what she's gonna do is she's gonna work on stretching the top of the foot, but keep the toes flexed first. Okay, so right now she's just working on strengthening the top of her foot. We haven't let the toes fold over yet. And now keeping the toes flexed, I want her to flex her foot again. Okay, so she's flexing. Look at how much she's flexing, so that she's getting a really nice stretch in the Achilles tendon. She's flexing so much, the knee is down and her heel is coming off the floor. And now she's gonna keep her toes flexed, but again, stretch the top of the foot. Good. So this way, when you point your foot, some of you guys just tend to crunch your toes. And it's not really getting a stretch of the whole foot. I need you guys to think about stretching the top of that foot. So now, T, go ahead and fold those toes over. We don't want to crunch the toes, but she's folding the toes over. And slide your foot a little bit this way. So you can see her toes are kind of spread out here. Now, leave the foot pointed, but flex the toes again. Good. And now she's going to flex the rest of the foot. Okay? So this pattern of pointing the toes, flexing the toes, and flexing the foot. This is a really great way to strengthen the arch of the foot and strengthen the toes, and also make sure that we're not crunching those toes. Okay. So T, thank you. I got one more exercise for you. All right, Miss T, can you lay on either side? Very good. Perfect. Okay, so this is an exercise that I am stealing from PBT, Progressive Ballet Technique. It's a great one and it works on a few things, okay? So T, you're gonna go ahead and lay that bottom arm down so you're nice and relaxed, and this arm is in the front. Perfect. Okay, So T is going to turn out her top leg. Perfect. And bend her leg a little bit. That's it. While I lift her leg up, now straighten the leg out. Okay. So I place the ball in between T's ankles. And what she's going to do is she's going to bend her knee like she's going to do a passe. Okay. As she does it, she's going to think about keeping this knee turned out and that her tootsies are not crunching over the ball, but folding over the ball as she draws the ball up. Okay, so she's going to slowly bring it as high as she can. Very good. I'm going to help her out with that. Good. And now she's going to lengthen and stretch all the way down, watching the turnout of the knee, and then good. And again, making sure the tootsies aren't crunched, but they are just folded over. And again, she's going to fold those toes over the ball, drawing it up, nice and relaxed feet. Good. And she goes down. Very nice. Watching the turnout. Notice that she's staying on her hip. She's not going forward and she's not going back. One more time, T. Draw the ball up. Beautiful. And stretch it back down. Excellent. And you can relax. Thank you. So you did 3 exercises for the feet. Okay, we talked about the exercise with the ball, working on the arch of the foot, relaxing the feet. Again, you guys can do that anytime you want, before class, after class. We did the strengthening with the band, right? So that's going to strengthen the arch of the feet and the tops of the feet. And then we also worked on her turnout, and we worked on her gripping the ball and stretching those toes and relaxing over. Thank you so much, T. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you watched till the very, very end. And if you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.